In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by clicking on this gear at the top and scrolling down to access theme. Then apply the best one for you by clicking on it and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it, you can always switch it to Gboard. If you want to do that, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then get free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. Choose Enable in Settings. Click on White switcher next to Gboard and hit OK. Then tap on Select Input Method, click on Gboard and tap on Done. Now you can select theme, scroll down and click on those type of dots at the top right corners to see all available styles and colors. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. To customize it, you can always go back to the same settings in the Gboard app. Click on this plus under My Themes and click on any photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!